In this video I will show you how to fix copyright issue on your Facebook profile. So open Facebook account, then click profile picture icon on the top right corner, then scroll down, and here you will see support option. Just click support, scroll down again, and you will find support inbox. Just click arrow next to the Facebook icon, and here you will see your alerts under report about others. So click your alerts in report section and select the video you have copyright issue. So I have select this video, and you can see this. There are changes to your video. One or more action were applied to your videos because of a copyright match. So if you want to remove this copyright issue, just click see details button, and then click continue. Click continue again. You have to continue. Click continue again, and here you will see three options: accept changes, submit dispute, and remove video. If you accept this, you can do this, but I want to remove this copyright permanently, so I will select this remove video option and then click continue, and you will see this. The video will be removed from Facebook, include anywhere it was shared. So just you have to click delete video, and you will see that your video was removed and the issue has been resolved, and now further action and no further action is needed. So in this way you can easily fix copyright issue on Facebook. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.